Let's learn the phonic sounds of letters A to Z. A, apple. A, apple. B, ball. B, ball. C, cat. K, cat. D, dog. D, dog. E, egg. Egg. F, fish. Fish. G, gun. G, gun. H, helicopter. Helicopter. I, insects. Insects. J, juice. J, juice. K, kite. Kite. L, lion. L, lion. M, mango. Mango. N, nails. Nails. O, orange. Orange. P, pizza. Pizza. Q, queen. Queen. R, rabbit. Rabbit. S, sunflower. Sunflower. T, tiger. Tiger. U, umbrella. Umbrella. We were violin. Violin. W, watermelon. For watermelon. X, Xmas tree. Xmas tree. Y, yoga. Yoga. Z, zero. Zero. Thank you.